Welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this quick tutorial, we'll dive into the powerful Heaven Slider widget, a sleek, responsive product slider built for Elementor and WooCommerce. Ideal for showcasing featured or latest products on your homepage or landing pages, it enhances user engagement, increases product visibility, and encourages faster buying decisions. Ready to elevate your store's shopping experience? Let's get started. To start using the Heaven Slider widget, open your Elementor editor and look to the widget panel on the left-hand side. From there, simply locate the Heaven Slider, drag it, and drop it onto your desired section of the page. As soon as you place the widget, it automatically loads a default layout. This pre-built layout gives you a solid and fully functional starting point, allowing you to begin customizing the slider without needing to build anything from scratch. Once the widget is added to your page, your focus should shift to the Settings panel on the left side, specifically under the Content tab. This is where you'll find the main configuration options that define how the slider behaves and what content it displays. The first area to explore is the Layout section. Here you can adjust the item height to control how much vertical space each slide takes up. You'll also be able to select the image resolution, ensuring your visuals look crisp and perform well. Additionally, you can set where the content appears within each slide, choosing between a left-aligned or right-aligned position. Just below these settings, some toggles let you enable or disable navigation arrows and thumbnail previews. Next, you'll come across the Query section. Here, you can select the product source from options such as Product, On Sale, Featured Products, or manually selected ones. After selecting the source, you can set a product limit to control how many items appear in the slider. To help you fine-tune what appears, there are Include and Exclude sub-tabs. The Include tab allows you to specify individual products you want to showcase, giving you complete control over what's featured, ideal for spotlighting top sellers, seasonal promotions, or hand-picked collections. The Exclude tab lets you remove certain items from the slider, which is useful for hiding demo products, out-of-stock items, or anything you don't want visible. Moving into the Settings section, you'll find 3 additional sub-tabs: Content, Badge, and Action Button. Under the Content sub-tab, you can choose whether to show or hide specific product information, such as the title, category, description text, user rating, and price. You can also assign specific HTML tags to the title and category fields, helping with SEO and design structure. In the Badge sub-tab, there are toggles for enabling or disabling various product badges like Sale, Percentage Off, Stock Status, Trending, and New. If you choose to show a new badge, you can define how many days a product is considered new by setting the newness days value. The Action Button sub-tab gives you the ability to manage call-to-action buttons, including Wishlist, Compare, Quick View, and Add to Cart. Each of these buttons can be shown or hidden according to your needs, allowing you to streamline the shopping experience. Now let's take a look at the Slider Settings section. One of the first options here is to enable or disable autoplay for the slider. If autoplay is active, you'll have the ability to set the speed at which slides transition. You can also toggle features like Pause on Hover, which stops the slider when the user hovers over it, Grab Cursor, which changes the cursor icon to indicate interactivity, Loop, which creates a continuous sliding experience, and Mouse Wheel, which lets users scroll through the slides using their mouse. You can further refine the slider by adjusting the animation speed in milliseconds. There's also an observer option that can be enabled or disabled to detect and respond to dynamic changes within the slider area. Once you're satisfied with the general setup, head over to the Style tab to refine the visual presentation. The first section under this tab is dedicated to the slider's overall appearance. You can set a background type and color, define a border style, and, depending on your border choice, adjust the radius, padding, width, and color. In the Image section, you'll find similar customization tools. You can define the image border style and radius, and below that, you'll find CSS filters that let you creatively tweak the image's appearance with effects such as brightness, contrast, blur, or saturation. Next, in the title section, you can customize the title's color and hover color, along with its spacing through margin settings. Typography options allow you to control everything from the font and size to the weight, style, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. Additional styling options include text shadows and strokes, letting you create unique and visually appealing title designs. The text section follows a similar structure, allowing you to change the content color, adjust spacing through margins, and control the font styling through the typography panel. All settings here can be tailored to match your site's design. In the price section, you have control over the visual styling for both regular and sale prices. You can change their colors independently, adjust margins, and access typography settings to match the look and feel of your store's branding. The rating section allows you to customize both the default and active star colors. You can also manage the spacing with margin settings, giving you flexibility over the visual alignment of product ratings. In the badge section, you can define border settings, spacing, padding, and typography layout. You'll see 4 separate sub-tabs for sale, discount, trending, and new badges. Each of these sub-tabs includes color and background styling options, giving you complete visual control over how your badges appear on the front end. The Action Button section offers a variety of styling tools. You can customize the button border, padding, spacing, icon sizes, and tooltip fonts. This section includes 3 sub-tabs: Wish List, Quick View, and Cart, each offering unique styling for normal, hover, and active states. You can personalize button colors and background settings for every state, allowing for a dynamic and consistent user experience. The Category section is where you'll style the category labels. Inside the normal sub-tab, you can change colors, background styles, and border settings. You can also define padding, margin, spacing, and text decorations. Additional options include typography and box shadow settings to enhance the visual hierarchy and readability. The navigation section lets you adjust the look and behavior of slider arrows. You can set the icon type and customize colors, backgrounds, borders, padding, and arrow sizes. 2 sub-tabs, Normal and Hover, let you manage the appearance of the arrows in both states, ensuring they remain consistent with the rest of your design. Finally, the Thumbs section controls the thumbnail navigation below the slider. There are 3 sub-tabs here: Normal, Hover, and Active. Each state allows you to define background styles, colors, border designs, and hover effects. These controls help you create a visually engaging thumbnail interface that aligns perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Once you're done, hit the Publish button and preview your changes to see the Heaven slider in action. That's how easily you can customize the Heaven slider widget in Ultimate Store Kit, giving you full control to align its look and behavior with your store's branding. Explore the styling options to craft a smooth, eye-catching, and conversion-focused shopping experience for your visitors. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching Ultimate Store Kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful widget tutorials. See you at the next one.